So if you haven't already, go ahead and download the WordPress SEO plugin by Yoast. You just go to your Add Plugins menu, type in YOAST. Should be the one on the top of the list. Go ahead and install that because I want to show you some other options it has in the Advanced tab that we clicked on for the canonical and the 301 redirects that you can use to change options regarding index, no index, follow, and no follow. And basically the four combinations of those: index follow, index no follow, no index follow, no index no follow, and which types of situations these four combinations can be used for. So if it sounds complicated, don't worry, I'm going to go through each of them very slowly. And I'm going to include a description of the resources, so if you don't get it from the descriptions here, don't worry. So once you go into any page or post, and you can do this while you're working on it or afterwards, or you can change this up whenever you want. You're just going to click on the Advanced tab. Now the default here for most pages is going to be index and follow. Index follow means that you want Google to find this page. You want them to put it in their database. You want people to be able to search and see your website. And you also want the links on that page to provide benefit to wherever they lead to. So maybe to other pages on your site or to the external resources that you've provided to your readers, maybe other articles about the same topic, right? That's index follow, and that's going to be for most pages. Now, index no follow can be used if, for example, you have a forum and people can contribute content, but there might be some people leaving a lot of spammy content. There's people going to be putting links within their screen names, and you don't want to provide any benefit to those people. You can do an index no follow, meaning people will find the forum, but they won't get any benefit from the links they leave there. Now, no index, no follow has to do with when your website is in development, or it could just be a page or a post that you're currently writing right now, and you don't want Google to find it yet because it's not finished. It's a draft. Right, and you don't want to provide any benefit for the links yet because you're not even sure whether you're going to include them or not, right? It's just in development mode. So any page or post that you're not finished with, use no index, no follow, and don't forget to change that to index or follow after you're done completing the post. And then finally, no index follow can be used for a few different things. If you have a sitemap like we talked about before with a bunch of links on it, you want Google to follow those links to find other parts of your website, but you don't want them to index it because it looks really spammy, right? A bunch of links, just a bunch of links on one page. You can also use that if you have like an email promotion for only certain customers and you don't want people to be able to find that in search, but you do want it to be, a link that can be found, and the links on that page to other websites can be followed and they can provide benefit to wherever they lead to. So those are the differences.